Hey, welcome to my video. In this video I want to show you my last month income proof. Okay, so I'm planning to do this every month, so I want to share what was my earning through my online business for last 28 days. So when I say 28 days of full month, please remember that I did not work 8 to 10 hours per day. It's hardly 3 to 4 hours per day, and on weekends I don't work. So considering all that, it's like just few hours of investment. Okay, so here is my back office. Okay, so if you can see this, the date range 1st February to 28th February. Okay, and I got $7,768.96. Okay, let me refresh so that you can see it's a live video, it's not some graphic work. Okay, so you need to believe. See, the same thing is loading, right? So even I can change the dates and I can show you. See, so automatically it's changed, right? So it's live. So I'm again going back to the 1st February to 28th February. So I made 7768. Okay, let's see what that comes in. 7768.9.96 USD in INR. Okay, can you see that? I have made 5 lakhs in Indian rupees, 5 lakhs 3,661 rupees. Okay, that's awesome. Even if I work for any corporate or any higher position, high paid position, I have to work all 30 days, travel a lot, face all the office politics, and after that, even after that, I won't be able to earn this much money in any business or any job, right? Not business, any job. So definitely, and this is the kind of income you can really make in my system, whether it's a Wi-Fi Millionaire, whether it's a turnkey business system, whether it's a TTI. So I can help you make this kind of money. Okay, and I'm not saying that you will make it overnight. You need to give at least 60 to 90 days to make this kind of money. You first need to complete the training. Once you complete the training, then you need to position yourself to start the business. So once you position yourself, then from there you need 60 to 90 days to make your first commission, and it will be huge. Okay, so this is the video I wanted to make. So if you can see, it's 7768 again, and in Indian rupees it's 5,03,661, and I can show you today's date and time, right? So right now it's 7:35 p.m. when I'm making the video, and it's Tuesday, 6th March 2008 Indian Standard Time. Okay, so this is shows it's real, and this is going to come into my bank account. Okay, if you want to make this kind of money, you need a mentor, you need a guidance, you need a support. So I will give you this support. I'll show you how to really make this kind of money online. It's not just you going and buying. You need someone who can really guide you, handhold you, and teach you. So in my business, I'm going to do that. So immediately join $49 program. Okay, so I've been sharing some of the links with you guys, right? So you can go to this link, landing, oh sorry, not this one. You can go to this link, okay, gireeshsamrat.com/landing, and then from WMS $49, and I can also send you on WhatsApp. So just click on that link and make the payment. Okay, once you make the payment, you will have more of my attention. Okay, you get 30 days money back guarantee. So don't go and search for online reviews. Trust me, every business has positive and negative reviews online, and most of the reviews written by people are their competitors. Like if they don't like my business, if I'm their competitor, they go and write negative about it. Okay, so just don't believe online. So you have, like, this is the form, it will open. So you have to just fill up this information. Okay, your details, then your shipping address, billing address, okay, then your credit card details. And we do take payments from these 3 network. If you are from US, you Discover network, or if you are from India, then Visa and MasterCard. Okay, even for US and other citizens, they can use all these 3 platforms, but for Indians it's only these 2. So just enter your details, okay, and then click here. Okay, that's it. Then you'll have a small form that you need to answer a few questions, and then you are done. So that's it, just do it, don't doubt, as I was saying. So don't believe in online reviews. See, we are offering 30 days money back guarantee. There's nothing, it's 100% satisfaction guarantee. We are giving under 30% money back, I mean, sorry, 30 days money back. So you don't have to worry much. Just get into the training. You will be given a coach, okay? That coach will handhold you. See, if you look at here, is everything you get one-on-one millionaire coach to guide you through. Can you see that? You are getting for just 3,300 rupees, you are going to get a millionaire coach who's already millionaire in this business, and he's going to handhold you and coach you. Okay, then proven websites and marketing funnels that turn traffic into cash for you. Okay, you don't have to build anything, invest in anything. You just position yourself in this business and start making huge money, because it's a proven system. And the commissions goes up to 10,000. Now it's become 20,000. You can earn 20,000 from one each or one single sale. So it has doubled now. Then the products and services that we provide is like real value for money. People say it's actually the cost is very less. Then you get a daily training calls. Okay, it's only for the members who become members. Then we have taken care of the merchant processing and accounting and all of that. Like right now this page is already done, right? Access to the staff, like we have 150 staff who is going to support you, always available. Okay, so as simple as that. You don't have to worry much. Just make $49 payment, get into the training. Once you make the payment, send me an email, send me a WhatsApp message, and I'll tell you what is the next procedure. Okay, so please understand, you might find me sometime arrogant, or maybe I'm not answering, or maybe I'm kind of impatient, but that's not the truth. The truth is I get 300 plus messages, calls, emails. Okay, so I have my own limitations. I cannot speak to everyone, and I don't have that much time. So I give importance to people who have paid this $49. So if you have paid $49, I am there for you. Okay, all you have to do is, whenever you want to speak to me, just I'll send you my calendly link. Okay, this is my calendar. You have to just go to this link and block your calendar. Okay, you get this strategy call for free. Okay, now let me see, where can I move this? Okay, I cannot move this. Okay, you just click on this. For example, you want to talk to me, you just go, you see whatever the time is available. If it's suitable for you, you click here and just confirm. Okay, so that's also, most of my calendars is always booked, so make sure you book in advance so that I can support you. So once you make the payment, you can talk to me for a minute, I don't mind. And if you are stuck in doing the payment, you can talk to me, I'll help you. And trust me, we have everything here. So we have a customer support number here, and you can go to this site, which is a support site. And if you want anything that's not clear, or you want to be clarified, so just on this page you can call on this number or click on this ticket, and this will take you here. Okay, then you can submit a request here. So this is it. So this is where you just put your email ID, you select the categories that you want to talk to, and write your description. Okay, you're done. So we have 24/7 support, we have this call support, then you're my personal support. So reach out to me after the training. You need a mentor like me who is already successful, doing well in this business. So you need a real help. Okay, so complete the training, make the payment, then come to me. I promise you, I'll give you my full attention, and I give you full support. So you can check with my students, they also tell you the same. So I give importance to serious minded people who invest $49. As I said, there's no risk, right? Even whatever the stage you are, whenever you want, within 30 days you decide this business is not for you, or you cannot do this business, or you cannot put in the investments efforts required for this business, then just take the refund and exit. Okay, all you have to do is just let your coach know, or go to this site and submit a refund request. That's it, nothing else. So I'm there to support you, and we are here to help you and make you money and make ourselves money. So it's a win-win situation for all of us, for me, for you, and for the company, and even for the customers who's going to buy this product and services. So you need to believe in that. just keep that negative mind outside, negative reviews outside, because we are going to teach you everything transparently. So just pay $49, get into the training. You will have 30 days to take an informed decision. After getting all this, as I said, all this, then you can take a call. So there's no one to stop you, right? So that's it for this video. Again guys, this is the last screenshot again. So this is my income, $7,700, and in Indian rupees it's around 5,03,000 rupees. Okay, and if you want to really make this kind of income in your part-time, as I'm doing just 3-4 hours per day. If you want to make this kind of income, you need a guidance from me or people like me. So join my team, I'll help you, and you can really check with my other students. They're doing pretty well. Whoever listens to me, follow my guidance, they're doing really well. So come on, make the payment and send me a message on my WhatsApp. Okay, and here is my WhatsApp number, 966-422-2272. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. Don't call me directly because I get a lot of calls and messages. So always send me a WhatsApp message, your name and your payment screenshot. And if you're stuck with the payment, send me I'm stuck with payment, then I'll get in touch with you. Okay, so thank you very much for listening, watching, and I really appreciate. Thank you.